We are at the Durban Magistrate Court, where Bonginkosi Khanyile just appeared for pre-trial in this court in relation to the incitement of violence during the unrest in July. But he was able to speak to the media in relation to whether they are ready for trial, as the state said that the trial, it will be 10 days, because the state will call witnesses, about 7 witnesses that will give the versions of the state, and they will also supply the videos that were filmed where Khanyile was speaking to members of the public in relation to this charge. But Khanyile has this to say.
So I came here today to appear on a pre-trial conference. A pre-trial conference, it is a process whereby the state, they tell that they are ready, and they ask me through my lawyers am I ready to proceed with the case. So both parties were ready to proceed with the case. But I must put it on record that what is happening, this case is a very political case. I think all of you here, you would think this unrest was solely based on Bonginkosi Khanyile. Who remembers people who murdered people in Phoenix? Who remembers the faces of people who murdered our brothers and sisters in Phoenix? Nobody remembers. If I can tell you something that will shock you, I sign on Monday, I sign on Friday. Every Monday and Friday, I must go and sign before the police station. But let me tell you something. Rest assured, I fear not. Even if they were to sentence me to 10 years into prison, 20 years, 30 years, I fear not. Because I know I'm clean. I've never carried a rice. I never stole a refrigerator. I never stole a TV. I never stole anything. And all of them in that court, they know. The prosecutor, they know. The head of prosecution, they know that there's no property I stole. They went at home and looked for that property. They don't tell you these things. They went out at home. They harassed my family looking for a stolen property. They couldn't find anything. I was doing internship with Cocta. They went there, harassed my bosses at Cocta. They said, are my qualifications real? Has this guy qualified? This state, this prosecution here, through the Hawks, they went and looked and verified my qualifications, because to them, I'm a thug, I must fake qualifications. Well, they were shocked because all my qualifications from DUT to UKZN, they are all eligible, including the LLB at Vet University. They must put it in their head, I'm doing it at Vet University. I'm very confident with myself, because what they put us, they wanted to send us into depression.
Bonginkosi Khanyile will be back in court on the 15th to 26th August for trial. Also, the state is saying that they are ready for this trial